how to use HBO Max on multiple devices at once. So first of all, make sure that you have bought the subscription of your HBO Max. So in here, you can simply buy it through just like this. If you do not have your account, you need to create one. And in here, you can simply tap on the option Explore Plans. After tapping on Explore Plan, it will give you two different options, right? The first one would be standard and the second one would be premium. So if you buy the standard one, you can actually stream on two devices at once. But if you do buy the premium one, you can actually stream on four devices at once. So when you simply buy the subscription, you can always simply open the application and start streaming. So for example, I have bought the standard one, then I can start streaming on my phone and also on my laptop. So if I start streaming on my TV too, it will actually exceed your limit and the app will display a screen saying a limit error code. And simply like that, you will be able to use HBO Max on multiple devices at once. And that's all.